Getting ready to start a 4-pier job out here at Hutton Farms. Just arrived. A normal crew for a foundation repair is 3 men. And in my experience, we get so much more done when I work 6 men, which would be a double crew on every job, and we just get them done quick. So a lot quicker. Makes it better for us because we've got a high demand for our king piers. Record-breaking year so far. I haven't got a total count, but I know we've installed well over 1,500 piers since January. So pretty good start to the spring. From January to now, we work year round, go from job to job, saving foundations. State-of-the-art foundation pier right there, folks. It's the biggest, strongest pier on the planet. I designed it to be that way. It's backed and stamped by Norton & Schmidt. If you have any questions, you can give them boys a call. Or you can call me, 816-521-8915. Visit my website, kingpiers.com. I have 4 piers, King Pier 1, 2, 3, and 4. All with the same warranties, 25-year warranty. To date, I've not had a pier installed that I've had to go back and re-pier. Nothing's failed. Everything is built to the standard minimum with low strength concrete. And my methodology has proven me right over the years that if they would build things bigger and stronger with higher strength concrete, there'd be a lot less sinking going on. And what the King Pier does, the King Pier raises the structure footing back to its correct level elevation. But what keeps it there is the 4 foot by 6 foot by depending on what pier, King Pier 1, 5 foot 7.5 inches thick of high strength concrete encased around that King Pier and footing on both sides. It's the biggest, strongest pier on the planet. It will not sink again. Most of the time when we're digging down, that soil is so hard that a helical pier wouldn't push through it. And we have plenty of videos where a helical pier has failed. It comes with lifetime guarantees. And never honored. So do not have that problem here at King Piers. Stay tuned, kingpiers.com.